In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss, is the 2025 Suzuki Swift underpowered? In this episode of All Things Motoring, we head to the West Coast Car Show to check out some of SA's finest vintage and custom rides. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Thrilling opener to the South African endurance racing season. JAC Motors launches eco-friendly X200 EV. We rank the most family-friendly electric SUVs. The hidden hands-on inspection all Ford Rangers must pass. Ford's Silverton manufacturing plant based in Pretoria is one of 5 Ranger manufacturing hubs globally. Every Ranger must pass through a 6-step process before being shipped around the world. Mahindra has taken a significant step to strengthen its presence in South Africa. Mahindra South Africa and the South African Industrial Development Corporation signed a memorandum of understanding to assess the feasibility of a completely knocked-down assembly facility in South Africa. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, CHANGECARS has you covered.